My people, my name is Marie Dung Dung. Thank you very much for turning to my channel. Today we are going to talk about healthy fat burning apple tea that boosts the metabolism. My people, this is an apple tea that will help to burn the metabolism. All you need is one apple. You have to cut the apple into little pieces. Apple is very essential because apple will help to the alkaline will help to cleanse and flow out the bad acid from the system and boost the metabolism and burn bad fat for you to be healthy and to be in shape. This tea is very vital, my people. You use apple, you use lemon, and you use cinnamon. These are things that are found inside your kitchen. You take your time and use apple. It doesn't matter the size or the color, just an apple. You cut the apple into little bit of piece of it, then you of piece. That's what I'm cutting my apple now into little sizes. After I do it, I have to wash it to avoid any germs from getting into the apple. That's it. I'm cutting I use one big red apple, but it doesn't matter the color. As I said, it doesn't matter the color of your apple. You can be a green apple, whatever the color of your apple, whatever your size. But use one apple. So I'm slicing my apple, cutting my apple into little size. My people, this tea is very essential. I can take it 3 times a day on an empty stomach when you just get up from the bed. You can take it after lunch, and you also take it before you go to bed. That's lemon to wash and slice the lemons. Lemons help as a cleansing. It helps for toxification. It awakens the metabolism and easily burn fat. Lemon too is very essential. That's your lemon. You cut your lemon. So I'm using 1 lemon. So that's my lemon. I cut my lemon into fine size. Little sizes are almost like slices, almost the same size of the apple. So you have to cut after wash your lemon very well. So I'm cutting my lemon into little bit of size also. Like for this tea is very vital. This tea is a very good tea where you drink it on empty stomach. It's very nice, and it helps for those that don't want to gain weight on their stomach. It helps. That's it. Then you have to boil water, 4 cups of water. That's my water already boiled. That's the boiling, the kettle, the electric kettle. So my water is already boiled. I boil 4 cups of water. So you look for you can have a 4 liter of whatever bowl or cup. Some people have big cups, but I don't have a big cup, so I take a bowl to mix everything there before putting it into my cup that I always drink. Yes, that's my kettle. It's an electric kettle. That's the water. I boil my water there. There's the 4 cups of water. So that's the bowl that I'm going to mix everything for the tea. My people, this you have to warm water. Warm water also helps to burn down fat. So that's why I use boiled water. That's it. I'm turning into my bowl. That's it. Then warm water, as I say, help to burn fat, because some people say why they don't do with cold water. No, it's hot water. It will help to burn fat. That's it. Then I will. That's it. That's the kettle. That's an electric kettle. Okay, that's it. That's the tea, then the apple and the lemon with the 4 cups of water. 1 apple, 1 lemon, and 4 cups of water into it. You mix into the bowl or the cup. Some people have cup. As I said again, that the apple will help to cleanse and help bad acid from the system and boost your metabolism. That's the use of that's the apple. Then your lemon, as I said, that lemon is a good cleansing. Lemons help for toxification and awakening metabolism and easily burn fat. You have to allow it in the warm water for like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, that's a cinnamon. I'm going to use my cinnamon. I'll use 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and turn into the mixture. Yes, cinnamon also helps to cleanse the system. Natural cleanse of the system. There's a cinnamon is a good cleansing. The good cleansing now will burn away all those fats in your body. So that's it. I'm stirring it very well. I'm stirring it, mixing my tea very, very well. Mixing my tea. Yes, I'm mixing my tea. I'm mixing my tea. Yes, you stir it very well. You have to stir everything to mix very well. For the apple to mix with the, you see cinnamon, you have to mix the cinnamon to mix. So I mix it. I take my time and I'm mixing it. That's what you do, my people. You mix it very well. After you mix it, you allow it, you cover it, and I'll use foil paper to close it. You have to close it for about 15 to 10 minutes. Because as I said again, that warm water helps to burn the fat out of it. So that's my mixture there. I'm telling you, my people, this will work so well 3 times a day. 3 times a day will help to burn down the fat in your stomach. Wherever the fat is, that's my foil paper. I'm using that to close it and allow it for 15 to 10 minutes. It depends on you. You allow it for 15 to 10 minutes, my people. Let it there, let it for 15 to 10 minutes. Allow the mixture there. That means I'm waiting for 15 to 10 minutes before coming back to take away, before coming back. As I said again, my people, I talk about the it's a fat, it's a healthy fat burning apple tea that helps to boost the metabolism. It's 4 cups of water, and the fat burning will burn the bad fat. The apple will burn the bad fat. The apple also is an alkaline to cleanse and flow out bad acid from the system and boost the metabolism, to burn bad fat, to be healthy and to stay in shape. My people, you stay in shape, then you after that you wash the apple. As I said again, the warm water now help to burn the fat again, my people. Then with your 1 lemon, wash and slice the lemon. Lemon help to cleanse. It's a good cleansing. And here for the detoxification, and that awake the metabolism. They easily burn the fat. Then the bad weight, it will help to take away the bad weight. You put 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon powder help to burn fat and clean system for natural cleansing. My people, I infuse that mixture. The mixture is infused. Then you allow it like for 10 to 15 minutes. As I said, then you come back later. When you come back later, take away the apple and the lemon. And that's it. That is your mixture. My people, that's a mixture. By the side, that's my cup. I'm going to put my mixture into it. So that's it. You have allowed it. So you take out the apple gently. You take out the apple and the lemon and the apple. Take out the lemon and the apple. You know, I want to show every step on the camera. I don't want to like keep any step behind. I could have still removed it without showing, but I just want to be detailed, something different. That's it. You take away all the lemon and the apple. Some people say, what will they do? You eat the apple because apple help for fiber in the body. You know what, I add with my other mixture and blend the apple to make a smoothie with it. Is that what you do? And the lemon also, I also soak the lemon or just put into clean water and drink it. That's it, my people. There you have now your tea. That's the tea, my people. That's the tea. That's your apple tea. Your apple tea. There you look for a cup now. I have a big cup. Actually, my big cup is like 9 or 10 cup. It's big. That's my cup. That's the tea. You drink it in the morning. You drink it in the afternoon. You drink it in the night time. And you drink it with an empty stomach. My people, that's me drinking my tea. And it have to be warm. As I say, warm water also helps to burn fat. My people, that's it. Thank you very much for turning into my channel. If you have not subscribed, do not forget to hit the subscription button. Thank you, my people. Thank you. Marindo. See you in my next video.